Building your own PC can be a thrilling experience, but it's important to strike a balance between performance and cost. One area where you can save some bucks is by choosing a budget PC case that doesn't compromise functionality or style. In this video, we'll explore some of the best budget PC cases that offer both affordability and quality.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
Starting off, we have the Raid Max Oreola H704 PC case. This mid-tower gaming case boasts a sleek design with tempered glass side panels that give it a pretty modern look. Besides, it has static RGB light fans that illuminate the interior with a stunning glow, creating a dramatic effect that enhances the overall aesthetic of the case. On top of that, it supports up to 3 120mm front fans, as well as up to 2 exactly the same size fans on the top, making it a top performer in terms of cooling capabilities. The H704 is also easy to maintain, thanks to its magnetic dust filter that keeps dust and debris out of the case. This feature makes cleaning a breeze, as the filter can be removed and cleaned with ease. Additionally, the I/O port is located at the top, including audio jacks, USB 2.0 and 3.0, along with power and reset buttons. If you are a gaming enthusiast who's looking for a decent mid-tower case at an affordable price range, then Oreola Series H704 is perfect for you. Moving on, we have Gamdius Talos E3. This case features a clean aesthetic with a tempered glass side panel that showcases your build's internal components, making it an ideal option for gamers and enthusiasts alike. It supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, and has 7 expansion slots, providing plenty of room to install expansion cards. It also features excellent cooling capabilities, with support for up to a 360mm front radiator and a 240mm top radiator. Besides, it can accommodate up to 2 120mm fans at the top and 2 120mm rear fans, ensuring that your system stays cool even during the most intensive gaming sessions. Additionally, the case also comes with up to 2 3.5-inch HDD cages, providing ample storage space for your hard drives. And to ensure easy access to all of your peripherals, this one also got the top I/O port featuring 1 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, audio jacks, power, and reset buttons. So if you're looking for an affordable PC case that is compatible with a wide range of motherboards, then Talos E3 could be a great purchase. Next, we got another mid-tower case, Fantech's Eclipse P300A, featuring a full metal mesh chassis for optimal cooling and ventilation. It also includes ABS and tempered glass panels that add a touch of elegance to its design. What's even more impressive, you can fit it in up to 275mm wide eATX motherboards. In terms of storage, the P300A offers 2 2.5-inch SSD brackets and 2 3.5-inch HDD brackets, providing enough space for your storage needs. The case also has a 200mm PSU clearance, making it compatible with a wide range of power supplies. Overall, the Fantech's Eclipse P300A is an excellent choice if you're looking forward to buying a budget PC case with great cooling potential. Are you looking for a PC case with a sleek RGB aesthetic in an affordable price range? Then check out the Aerocool Cyclone. Its beautiful front RGB LED design is undoubtedly one of the standout features, with up to 13 lighting modes to choose from. This PC case also supports a 240mm liquid cooling radiator at the front, ensuring that your system stays cool even under a heavy load. It includes a total of 7 expansion slots, allowing you to customize your own build. It can also support graphics cards of up to 371mm in length, which is great for gamers who need high-end GPUs. The top I/O pane is also well designed. It is equipped with 1 USB 3.0 port, up to 2 USB 2.0, audio jacks, and an SD card reader. Another great feature is the PSU dust filter, which makes cleaning a breeze. Talking about PSU dust filters, you can easily fit in an ATX-size power supply up to 207mm, which is really convenient. So yes, gamers who prioritize good looks and features should definitely go for it. Coming up next is the Masterbox Q300L, a mini tower case that stands out for its impressive design and versatility. With patterned magnetic dust filters, a modular I/O panel, and a transparent side glass panel, it offers a high level of customization options for PC builders. The clean routing space for cable management ensures a neat and organized build. Also, it supports up to two 140mm fans and a 240mm radiator at the front to keep your components cool. This PC case can be positioned both vertically or horizontally, making it perfect for those with limited desk space. With support for graphics cards up to a length of 360mm, this is a great option for gamers. The Masterbox Q300L is a masterful case that combines form and function, making it an excellent choice for building a personalized PC at an affordable price range. For our next budget PC case on the list, we have the Versa H18 from Thermaltake. This compact micro ATX case has a swift touch of modern premium cases at an affordable price point. The H18 features a black steel construction with a tempered glass side panel that allows for an unobstructed view of your build. Its compact size makes it perfect for those with limited desk space, but it still offers plenty of room for high-performance components. The case supports both air and liquid cooling solutions, with a front panel supporting up to two 120mm fans and the top panel supporting up to two 140mm fans. It also includes a pre-installed 120mm fan at the rear for added cooling. Not only that, cable management is made easy with the H18, thanks to its built-in cable routing and storage options. The case also includes a power supply cover that keeps cables and clutter out of sight, further enhancing its sleek appearance. Overall, the Thermaltake Versa H18 is a stylish and functional case that is perfect for those who want a compact and affordable option for their micro ATX build. And finally, we have the Fractal Design Focus G, which is an excellent budget mid-tower case that offers a perfect combination of style, functionality, and affordability. With its large windowed side panel, you can showcase your build and admire your hardware. The case features two universal drive bays for HDD and 15mm SSDs, as well as an additional 2.5-inch mount behind the motherboard tray, providing plenty of storage space. It also comes with front top and base air intake filters that keep your system clean and dust-free, while two pre-installed 120mm white LED fans ensure optimal airflow capability for your internal components. The case supports radiators up to 240mm in two different orientation choices, offering liquid cooling enthusiasts the flexibility they need. The top I/O port provides easy access to all your additional peripherals, making connectivity a breeze. In short, the Fractal Design Focus G is an exceptional mid-tower case that every budget builder should definitely check out. So that was all about the 7 best PC cases under $50. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.